Yeah, so mommy is way better. Not sick anymore. So, galing kami post office. Nag-mail sa box ni Ante Ofelia Conley, na-mail na ang box, Ante. Yeah, so Saan is Fry? Nura magirigla. Fry, anong Nura magkagirigla? Unsa yang ganahan? What you want? Huh? You wanna play tag with you? Hala, sunday mo manghud koy. Night train dito ay. Mautoy train mo agi sa neighborhood dapit. Pag layat-layat dito sa ano koy, oh, spider. You wanna play tag with mama? Yeah. Yeah, but I'm mabigat. Do you know what is mabigat? Heavy.
Yeah, like you can remove it by running with me.
By running with you?
Yeah, you have to chase me.
Okay, let's try.
Okay.
Watch out your sisters there. Okay, makipagdula si Freya og tag. Magtag. Tag of war ba? No, tag. Like, okay. So, ato ibutang ning phone dere. Asa mong manghud koy? Okay, let's play tag.
Okay. Do you want to go first or do you want me to chase you?
Huh?
Huh? Oh, you got this. Okay, chase me.
Oh, we should bring my bag.
Yeah.
I'm tired phone. You tag with friend.
So what if I tag you?
Baby, let's play tag. You wanna play tag with mama? Come on. Dali na. Don't you wanna play with mommy?
Okay, tag me.
Okay, tag me.
Like
No. Tag me. Ah! Okay, no. Tag dita ay.
No. She doesn't like me this time.
No, you didn't tag me
No,
yet.
I touched you nearly.
O diba guys, dapat magpapayat na ako kasi gusto nilang maghabulan.
Tag you!
Hiningal ako.
Love it!